Well, let's see what we've got here. Okay,
Hey Sue, I'm calling on you to make a marvelous craft from scratch without a draft.
Hey Sam, I'm kinda tired, you know. Besides, I'm starving, so I can't go crafting. Although, cooking is good, and I'm in the mood, so let's craft and bake a watermelon cake.
Are you serious?
Why not? The watermelon flavor is my favorite, and cakes are yours.
It's cooking time! I'm assistant slime!
Great idea! In the kitchen I'll see ya! Yo! Hi guys! As you might have probably guessed from our little rap battle, today we're going to make a cool watermelon cake. My mouth is watering from just thinking about it.
Bonjour, my dear friends! And as always, we'll start with the batter.
That's right! We need to add baking powder and salt to the flour and mix it well. Sammy, this will be your job.
I'm on it, Susie!
In the meantime, we'll make another mixture. Let's take this amount of room temperature butter and half of a cup of vegetable oil. Great! 2 cups of sugar. 1 and 2. There we go. And this magical watermelon flavored gelatin.
It smells like summer! Guys, when using household appliances, you'd better ask an adult to help you.
Now I need to add 3 eggs to this mixture, 1 by 1. Guys, if you like cooking as much as we do, there are a lot of videos about this on our channel.
Subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss the tasty recipes that are yet to come.
Here comes the 3rd egg. Keep on mixing. Check out the consistency.
What a smell. Oh, Sue, is that yours?
Yes, it's my favorite vanilla extract. We'll mix all this really well again.
Watermelon and vanilla? Interesting.
Now we'll mix our dry ingredients with the batter. Alright. We need to do it gradually to avoid any lumps.
Give Mix and Sue a thumbs up, guys.
I've just added 350 milliliters of buttermilk in here. But I don't really like the shade of this batter. Hop? That's better!
What would you say about this, Susie?
That's what we need, Sammy! Red! Well done! Let's add some drops of food coloring here. And mix it really well. Now we'll add some pink to make it look more natural. Here we go. Guys, you're gonna need to add red, pink, and burgundy food coloring to get the perfect watermelon shade.
Wow, I really like how this one turned out. How about you guys? Then give us a thumbs up.
Okay, we're going to have 4 sponge cake layers, so we need to divide our batter into 4 even parts.
A quick tip from Chef Samuel. Spray the cake pan with a non-stick cooking spray.
Great! Now nothing will stick to the baking pan. Here comes our first future sponge cake. Wow, that's awesome! There you go.
Whoa, mesmerizing. I could watch this all day long. What are you doing?
Watermelon seeds, of course. Now we'll bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
Guys, while we're waiting, here are some refreshing facts about watermelons. Did you know that a watermelon is both a fruit and a vegetable? They grow like fruits from flowers, but belong to the same family as cucumbers and pumpkins. Here's another one. The 3rd of August is National Watermelon Day. Also, watermelon is the official state vegetable of Oklahoma.
Watermelons can be different, seeded and seedless, huge and really small. All in all, there are about 1,200 varieties of watermelon.
I guess today we're adding one more type to the list.
Oh, Sammy.
You know what I'd really like to taste? A rectangular watermelon.
Ah, that's right! Japanese farmers grow them. Oh, I'd like to taste those too. It's the oven.
Holy cannoli! We'll finish making our cake really soon!
Guys, our sponge cakes are ready. And while they were cooling down, we prepared the frosting. Here I combined the egg whites, powdered sugar, salt, butter, and vanilla.
So it's a standard buttercream. We got it. But how will we make our cake look like a watermelon?
Give me a second and you'll see. Hop? Great. We divided our frosting into 2 equal parts. One of them we'll put aside, and the other one is going to be colored.
It's important to make the buttercream look as bright as the sponge cakes.
Add all the necessary colors until you get the perfect shade.
Come on, Sue! Let's start building our cake!
Alright. Guys, you should probably use a cake turntable here to spread the frosting evenly all around the cake. But first, we need to layer the sponges with our beautiful and tasty reddish buttercream. Here we go. This whole process is kind of meditative. It's like coloring.
Don't forget that all of the 4 sponge cakes should get an equal amount of buttercream. Am I right, Susie?
Absolutely. Now we'll scatter those mini chocolate chips on top of the frosting. That'll do. And place the second sponge. There. Awesome.
Susie, can I please do the rest of the layers?
Of course. But leave the upper layer of the cake without frosting for now.
I'm done, Sue!
Let's see. Perfect, Sammy. Now guys, watch closely. This is why a cake turntable is kinda necessary for this craft. As well as the piping bag, by the way. Let's continue.
Sue, it's coming out awesome!
Ooh. Guys, be very careful and very attentive. The red part of our cake should not peek through the cream. There. Now we need to make sure that the frosting is firm enough. Let's put it into the fridge for 30 minutes. Alright guys, it's all done. The frosting is firm. Now we can continue with the upper part. We'll apply some colored frosting to the top of the cake. This way. And now we'll spread it evenly all over the top.
Sue, I think that's yours.
Oh, that's just what I need. Thanks.
You're welcome. Yay! Finally I can have a bite!
Whoa, hold it, Sammy.
What now?
Because we're not done yet. The last part for today, watermelon stripes. Guys, put on the rubber gloves unless you want to scare people off with green fingers.
Yeah, as if you're turning into the Hulk. Roar!
We'll use a natural sponge to apply the colors onto the cake this way. Watch closely now. Let's start with green stripes. We'll do it like this. If you see pink color peeking out a little, don't worry. The green will cover it.
Guys, you can ask an adult to help you at this stage. Doing this together will be fun.
As soon as you're done with the green color, use another sponge for the yellow.
Sue, I think it's okay to say it doesn't exactly look like a watermelon.
Wait, Sammy. Why are you always so impatient? Just give it a little more time. And watch this. Well, what do you say now, Sammy?
Whoa! Now we're talking!
We're almost at the finish line, guys. Let's use some magic. All right. Here we go.
Guys, just be careful with a knife.
Sammy's right. You'd better ask an adult to help you. Hop. There we go. Carefully. Whoa. Awesome. Sammy, that's a piece for you.
Finally, I can taste it! This is amazing, guys!
Guys, I really hope you liked this video. Give us a thumbs up. Oh, and definitely try to make this cake at home. Bye!